What's up, guys? It's me, Proof Putty here, and me and Connor are gonna be doing another sponsorship from my YouTube channel. I can just sponsor myself anyway, I think. Remember the Champions Go on Adventure? Connor was not in the last one. So we're gonna do another one, and with Connor, this thing, if we hit the wood right here or anywhere, the wood with our legs.
Wait, but there's concrete over here.
Yeah, you're fine to touch that. Okay, let's get into the game.
Hold up, I guess, because like that's where the water and food is. Oh, you have to be careful too. Over here, because if you jumped off right here, you would actually probably jump on this.
Okay, here we go.
Yep.
So who are you gonna be?
Your mom.
No, for like actual wrestler.
James Charles.
James Charles. Okay, I'm just moving this so this does not. Oh my!
No, stop.
It doesn't matter.
No. Let's start the game.
Okay, well that's off. I'm Jake Paul. Yay!
Hi sisters.
What the heck?
I am not.
Okay, you guys are allowed to touch this.
Oh yeah. Your finishing move is kind of actually helpful here.
Well, we're basically fighting over food because we're basically on a lost island right now. No, just pretend like we are.
I just have another video.
Okay, don't say it. I won't.
Oh, fuck.
Back away.
No. We're not allowed to use this. This is Jameson's.
I know.
We can't use it.
I know. I'm not. I'm just gonna put it. Psych! That's okay. We're putting it back. If you.
Yes, I'm gonna get you. To touch. Oh! Haha, if you want to fight me, you gotta get me. Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
Oh. By the way, I said only feet.
Oh. I'm gonna spread out. Oh! Oh! I helped you! God! Connor! No, what?
Did you just hit the ground?
No, you went like that.
Wait, time. Time. We gotta respread them. Wait. I still can't hit the ground though. Back in the game. My nuts.
Hey, you just said a naughty word. Naughty word. Okay, you know what? I give up. I'm tired.
The video ends.
Guys, it looks like I just wanted to hit the button.
Video ends, guys. So, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and
Don't like and subscribe.
yes, do.
No.
And click the notification bells if you like my videos. Please do
It
it.
just copied some.